Welcome back. Citizens of Goa members have demanded denotification of Regional Plan 2021. They have highlighted a scam in Asagaon Comunidad land. They have demanded inquiry of Chief Town Planner Puturaju and others involved in the scam.
Citizens of Goa held a meeting on Saturday to bring forth scam of Asagaon Comunidad land.
CDP असा आमचो पुत्तूराजू तेणे कितें केला ते घुसपट तेणे सर्वे नंबर 145/1-E हे ई तेणे ऍड केले आणि हा प्लॅन सगळो अप्रूव केलो. आता ई हे खंयच्यान आयले ते आमकां खबर ना. सो आणि सकयल वचून तुम्ही पळयात की ताणी अशें ताजेर आनी एक घातला ताणे आपले क्लॉज की बेज ऑन खंयच्या हेजेर तेणे बेज्ड ऑन अर्लियर म्हापसा MPD जेणे हे केल्लो पळय त्या हाजेर म्हणटा तो. आता अर्लियर जर आमी प्लॅन काडून पळयलो सर्वे नंबर खंयचो आसा 145/1 हांगा ई खंयच मेन्शन केल्लो ना. पूण हे पुट्टूराजून आपली तकली वापरून आणि खबर ना ताणें कोणाचो हो घेवन ताणें मायंड घेवन हो आपले तयार केलो आणि हे सगळे अप्रूव केले.
आमचो डिमांड आसा हे रिजनल प्लॅन प्रादेशीक आराखडो जाग्यार घातल्या बगर गोंय कांय जावपाचें ना. मिस्टर पुत्तूराजू चीफ टावन प्लॅनर आनी जे कोण इनवॉल्व आहा ह्या स्कॅमान ताका पयले भितर घालपाचें तेन्ना कळटलें की चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी भाजप आमच्या बरोबर आसा म्हूण.
Members further accused that TCP approved the proposal as revised subdivision plots without proper verification. A video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Independent MLA of Fatorda, Vijay Sardesai, firmly said that opposition party is demoralized. He warned of diminishing democracy. Sardesai said important issues have to be highlighted during the month-long monsoon session. Vijay accused government of misleading people of various issues, especially on construction of bridges.
सेंटराक BJP येवन आनी गोंयांत दोनूय सीट BJP घेवन खूब गोष्टी जाल्ल्यो आहा. ओपोजिशनूय डिमोरलायज जाल्लें आहा आनी हातून गोंय खंय वता ती दिशा कोणाक खबर ना अशें जाल्लें आहा. लोकशायेची कंप्लीट हत्या जावपाकूय संभावना आसा कित्याक ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी जेन्ना तुका आसता जेन्ना ओपोजिशन आज आमच्या गोंयांत ओपोजिशन डिमोरलायज आहा. थोडे सेल्फ गोलूच मारतात काँग्रेस वर्सीस काँग्रेस चालू आहा अशे टायमार म्हाका दिसता हें सेशन सारकें फॉलो करपाक जाय. सरकार ह्या दिसांनी मिसप्लेस्ड प्रायोरिटीज दाखयता. गरज आहा जुवारी ब्रिजाची. सरकार अनाउन्स करता तिसरो ब्रिज मांडवीचेर प्रायम मिनिस्टराक हाडून इनॉग्रेट करता मागीर ताजे सेंट्रल फंडिंगाचें दुसरेंच आमकां कळटा. हाजे वयल्यान अशें दिसता की गोंयकारांक मिसलीड करपाक सुरवात जाल्ली आहा.
Anti-corruption branch has started the process to evaluate properties of Sankwal Sarpanch Ramakant Borkar to establish a case of disproportionate assets. ACB on Friday evening arrested Ramakant Borkar red-handed while accepting bribe. Borkar was accepting bribe to issue occupancy certificate of a house. Ramakant Borkar has been remanded to 3 days police custody.
SP of Anti-Corruption Branch Bosco George informed that they have started the process to evaluate the properties of Sankwal Sarpanch Ramakant Borkar, Sarpanch of the village. Bosco George also said that they are suspecting that this case of taking bribe is not a maiden case. Accused Ramakant Borkar might have demanded and taken bribe from many others in the past, and any disproportionate assets found in the investigation can lead to many other cases.
This case could lead to another case also. There are many things in it. This is just one. Here he is only trapped for accepting money, bribe money. We will investigate further if we can make out another case also. We'll have to investigate fully his source of income. What is his business? From where he is able to make so much money? If he is in a position, well and good to explain, we will take it down. Otherwise, we will have to register another second case of disproportionate assets.
Acting upon a complaint filed by a Vasco-based complainant, Munnalal Halwai, ACB arrested Ramakant Borkar red-handed while taking bribe on Friday evening.
The Ramchandra Borkar, the Sarpanch of Sankwal, made a demand for 1 lakh rupees. He says please give me, you have to give me 1 lakh, others you will not get the occupancy certificate. After registering the case, our staff members went and laid a trap, and Mr. Ramchandra Borkar was caught red-handed while accepting an amount of 75,000.
On Saturday, Ramakant Borkar was produced before the CBI court at Mapsa. He is remanded to 3 days police custody. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
The remaining structures along Bayana Beach will be demolished on Monday. South Goa Collector Venancio Furtado informed this after his brief meeting with concerned department officials. Collector mentioned that WRD will be taking up restoration work of Bayana Beach. Collector also briefed the teams on evacuation and removal of structures and debris.
In today's meeting, I took feedback from all the departments which are supposed to give me a support, and it is now decided to start our evacuation program on Monday morning, where we are going to clear whatever we have started for last Friday. We are going to clear that entire thing. We are going to start working on it and make known to the people that we are here for their safety and the safety of the Goan beaches. We are not here against anybody. We are not enemies to anybody. WRD has already planned to take up this restoration of the beach, and they are working on it like how they have done in Betalbati and Keri, so that even tomorrow if the high waves comes also, it will not take away the seashore.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.